Afghanistan's parliament failed to pass a law banning violence against women, a severe blow to the progress made in women's rights in the conservative Muslim country since the Islamist Taliban was toppled over a decade ago. President Hamid Karzai approved the law by a decree in 2009 and the parliament's endorsement was required. But a rift between conservative and more secular members of the assembly resulted in a debate being deferred to a later date. Religious members objected to at least 8 articles in the legislation, including keeping the legal age for women to marry at 16, the existence of shelters for domestic abuse victims, and halving the number of wives permitted to 2.
If this law is for Afghan women, it has to be passed by the members of Afghanistan's parliament. Otherwise, we don't accept all the symbolic developments for women.
Women have won back the hard-fought right to education and work since the Taliban was toppled 12 years ago. But there are fears these freedoms could shrink once the NATO-led forces leave Afghanistan by the end of next year. Female university student in Kabul said that it was important that the parliament pass the law.
We hope that this law over violence against women can be approved. If it is not passed, this would have negative consequences. We see that day by day violence against women increase here in Kabul, the capital, as well as in the provinces. So we ask Parliament to approve and pass this law.
Increasing insecurity is deterring some women from seeking work outside the home, and right workers accuse the government of doing too little to protect the women, allegations rejected by the Karzai administration. The election for a new president is expected to be held in April 2014. The constitution bars Karzai from running again. Meanwhile, almost after 2 hours of clashes between Kofi and other religious members of the 244-member parliament, Speaker Abdul Rauf Ibrahimi said that the assembly would consider the law again at a later date, but declined to say when. Bureau Report, DD News.